Come test drive the 2019 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive, Inside you'll find cruise control, console, floor mats. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.